don't look valuable. They look like trash. And today, we open 3 of them, not randomly, not guessing, carefully, step by step, because inside these gray rocks, something rare may be hiding. Something most people walk past every day. Diamonds, yes, diamonds, but not the kind you expect. Not shining in jewelry stores, not sitting in glass cases. These are hidden diamonds, trapped deep inside ordinary stone, and the rocks that hold them look almost identical. 3 types, all gray, all common, all ignored. But not today. Today we slow down, we look closer, we listen, we test. Because the truth is simple. If you don't know what to look for, you will never see it. Never. Rock number 1, gray Kimberlite type stone. It looks boring at first glance. Just gray rock, rough edges, dusty surface, nothing special. But under the surface, everything changes. This is where diamonds begin their journey. Deep underground, extreme pressure, extreme heat. So intense, carbon changes structure and becomes something else, a diamond. But it doesn't stay visible, it hides. Inside volcanic rock, Kimberlite type stone. He picks it up, heavy, strange heavy, not normal. He turns it slowly, dust falls, and then a tiny clue, small greenish tint, mixed with gray. That matters, because Kimberlite rocks often carry fragments from deep earth, deep enough for diamonds to form. He taps it, talk, a hollow sound, strange for such a dense rock. He taps again, same sound. That's the first warning sign. Something inside, not uniform, not solid. He scratches the surface. Tiny crystals appear, dark, sharp. He pauses, because this rock shouldn't feel like this. He places it down, carefully, and looks closer. There's texture variation, different layers, compressed history. That matters, because diamonds don't form in simple environments. They form under chaos, extreme conditions, deep earth pressure. And Kimberlite is one of the only rocks that brings them up. He raises the hammer, stops. Something feels off. Not fear, not logic, just instinct. He listens to it, then hits. Crack! The rock splits slightly. Inside, different color, darker core. He leans closer, because that darker section means mineral change. And mineral change means possibility. He breaks another piece and freezes, because inside the gray shell, there's a small, reflective surface. Not gold, not quartz, something else. Sharp, clean. He wipes it. It glints. Just once, then disappears again. He breathes slower, because now this is no longer random stone. This is potential. Hidden structure, hidden formation, maybe even diamond-bearing material, but still unclear, still hidden. And that's the point. Nothing is obvious yet. Everything is hidden. Rock number 2, gray basalt fragment. This one feels different immediately. Denser, smoother edges, almost too uniform. He lifts it, heavy again, but different heavy, more compact. He taps it, deep sound, no hollow tone, solid. But that doesn't mean empty, because basalt forms from volcanic lava, fast cooling, trapping minerals inside, including sometimes diamonds. Not common, but possible. He examines the surface, tiny holes, gas pockets. That matters, because those pockets trap minerals during cooling. He rubs one area, fine grains fall. Underneath, slight shimmer, barely visible. He pauses, because basalt doesn't usually shimmer like that. He brings it closer and sees something unexpected. Tiny inclusions, locked inside, not moving, not shifting, fixed. That's important, because diamonds, when present, don't float. They stay locked in structure. He scratches again. The rock resists, hard, but not perfect. Microfractures appear. He follows one, slowly, and then he stops, because inside that fracture, there is a flash. Quick, sharp, gone, but real. He saw it, no doubt, something reflective, something too clean for normal rock. He steps back, now thinking differently, because basalt is not usually exciting, but when it is, it hides surprises, deep ones. He places it down, carefully, because now he knows this is not just stone. This is a container, a locked container, and inside it, something may be waiting. Rock number 3, gray shale. This one looks weakest. Soft edges, layered texture, almost like pressed dust. People ignore this type completely. Big mistake, because shale forms in layers, slow compression over time, and that slow process can trap organic carbon. Carbon that may transform under pressure into diamond structures, rare, but documented. He breaks a small edge. It crumbles slightly, layer by layer, like pages. He studies it closely, because layering matters. Each layer is a timestamp, a record of pressure, and pressure creates transformation. He separates one layer and sees something strange, a faint reflective line, thin, almost invisible. He rubs it, doesn't disappear. That matters, because if it were mineral dust, it would vanish, but it stays. He tilts it, light catches it, just barely, but enough to confirm. This rock is not empty. He looks at all 3 stones now, gray, all gray, but completely different inside. Different stories, different formations, different possibilities, and all of them share one truth. Diamonds don't announce themselves, they hide, inside ordinary rock, waiting. He sits back, thinking, because now he understands something important. Most people are not missing diamonds. They are walking over them every day, without knowing, without noticing, because they only look at surface, not structure, not sound, not weight, not formation. But those who learn to see deeper, see something else, possibility. He picks up the Kimberlite again, that first rock, the one that started everything. He turns it slowly, and now, he doesn't see gray, he sees potential, hidden, waiting. And maybe, just maybe, something inside it is worth far more than anyone expects. But he hasn't opened it fully yet, not yet, because what comes next changes everything. And that part is not simple, not at all. Step number 1, opening the Kimberlite. The first rock is back in focus. Gray, rough, heavy. The most important one. He adjusts the light above it, stronger beam. The surface changes, small reflections appear, not random, structured. The expert leans closer. This is the one people miss most. He taps the rock gently. Talk, same hollow sound. Now confirmed, something inside. He picks up a small cutting tool, slow movement, precise hands. He doesn't rush. One cut only, just enough to open a window. The blade touches stone, then crack, a controlled split. The outer layer breaks away, and inside, the structure is different, completely different. Not uniform rock, not simple stone. Layers, veins, pressure lines. The expert nods. Exactly what I expected. But the younger man doesn't understand yet. Expected what? No answer yet. The expert points. To form Kimberlite like this, you need deep earth pressure. Pause. Pressure strong enough to form diamonds. Silence drops again. Because now, it's no longer theory. It's inside the rock. Step number 2, the first sign of diamond structure. The expert uses a magnifier, moves slowly across the surface, stops, then adjusts angle. Light shifts, and there it is. A tiny, reflective point, sharp, clean, almost unnatural. The expert doesn't react immediately. He just stares longer, too long. Then quietly says, "That's not quartz." The younger man leans in. What is it then? Another pause, then. It could be diamond inclusion. The words hang in the air, heavy, because could be is not certainty, but it's close enough to change everything. Step number 3, basalt under pressure test. Now the basalt rock. The expert lifts it, feels it, weighs it again, then places it under light. He circles it slowly, observing surface gas pockets. This formed from fast-cooling lava. He taps it, solid sound, but not uniform. He points to tiny holes. These trap minerals during cooling. Pause. And sometimes, diamonds. The younger man swallows, now fully alert. The expert brings a small scratch tool, scrapes gently. Inside texture changes, dark mineral matrix. Then, a flash, quick, almost invisible, but real. The expert freezes, then adjusts position. Did you see that? The younger man nods. Barely. The expert doesn't smile. He becomes serious. That reaction means something is embedded inside. Not loose, not surface, inside structure. Step number 4, shale layer breakthrough. Now the shale rock, soft, layered, fragile looking. The expert holds it carefully, almost respectfully. This one is deceptive. He splits one layer. Slow, clean separation, like pages in a book. Inside, another layer, and another. Then, a thin reflective seam. He stops, immediately. He doesn't touch it yet, just looks. Long silence. Then, this is not typical sediment. He adjusts lighting again. The seam responds. Slight glow, not bright, but noticeable now. The younger man steps closer. What does it mean? The expert answers slowly. It means carbon was trapped here. Pause, and under pressure,